Let's make some money. Hey, this is Money Mindset and welcome to my show. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of finance and investments. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this show is designed to help you navigate the complex world of money management with confidence and ease. You know what they say, money never sleeps. And in this fast-paced world, staying ahead of the game is crucial. We'll explore the latest trends, strategies, and tools that can help you make informed decisions and maximize your financial potential. And neither should your portfolio. Diversification is key to a robust investment strategy. We'll delve into various asset classes, from stocks and bonds to real estate and alternative investments, ensuring your portfolio is as dynamic and resilient as possible. We're diving headfirst into the world of investing, and trust me, this ain't your grandma's retirement plan. We'll be looking at innovative investment opportunities and cutting-edge financial technologies that are shaping the future of wealth management. We're talking about building a portfolio that doesn't just sit there, it works harder than a Wall Street intern. Active management and regular reviews are essential to keep your investments aligned with your financial goals. We're going to break down the secrets to financial security and growth, step by step, so you can start building that nest egg you've always dreamed of. From budgeting and saving to investing and retirement planning, we've got you covered. Forget about penny stocks and get-rich-quick schemes. This is about making smart, strategic moves that deliver real, lasting wealth. We'll teach you how to identify quality investments and avoid common pitfalls that can derail your financial journey. So, buckle up, because we're about to turn you into a lean, mean investing machine. With expert advice, practical tips, and inspiring success stories, you'll be well equipped to take control of your financial future and achieve your dreams. Let's get started. All right, let's talk goals. Goals are the driving force behind our actions, the compass that guides us through the maze of life. Without them, we're like a ship lost at sea, drifting aimlessly. So, what are your goals? What are you saving for? Is it something tangible, like a new gadget or a dream vacation? Or is it something more substantial, like financial security or peace of mind? A down payment on a house? A killer retirement? These are big milestones that require careful planning and dedication. Maybe you want to send your kids to college without them drowning in debt. Education is a priceless gift, and ensuring your children have the best opportunities is a noble goal. Whatever your dream, write it down. Putting pen to paper makes it real. It's the first step in turning a dream into a plan. Now, next to that, put a dollar amount on it and a timeline. How much will it cost? How long will it take? These details are crucial. See, that's your roadmap to success. It's not just about having a goal, it's about knowing how to get there. Short-term goals, like a new car, need a different strategy than long-term goals like retirement. Each type of goal requires a unique approach. You don't want to be yanking your money out of the market every time you need a new set of tires, right? That's why it's important to have a clear plan. That's why we got to figure out your time horizon. How long do you have to achieve these goals? Are we playing for the next 5 years or the next 50? Your strategy will vary greatly depending on your timeline. This is the foundation, people, so let's get it right. A strong foundation sets the stage for everything else. It's the bedrock upon which you'll build your future. So take the time to plan, to dream, and to set your course. Your end game is within reach, but it starts with a solid plan today. Let's talk risk, baby. Risk is the name of the game when it comes to investing. It's what makes the stock market so thrilling and at times nerve-wracking. But how much risk can you really handle? How much can you stomach? Are you someone who loses sleep over market fluctuations? Or do you thrive on the adrenaline rush of high-stakes investing? Are you the type who freaks out when the market dips? Or do you see red and buy more? When the market takes a nosedive, do you panic and sell off your assets? Or do you see it as a golden opportunity to buy low and potentially reap the rewards later? Look, everyone's different, and that's okay. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to investing. Your strategy should be as unique as you are. Your risk tolerance depends on your age, your income, your financial obligations, the whole 9 yards. It's a complex equation that takes into account your entire financial picture. A young buck with no kids can afford to take more risks than someone nearing retirement. If you're young and have time on your side, you can afford to ride out the market's ups and downs. But if you're older and closer to retirement, you might want to play it safer. Remember, higher risk, higher potential reward, but also higher chances of getting burned. Don't be a hero. It's tempting to go all in on a hot stock tip, but remember that with great risk comes great responsibility. Be honest with yourself about how much volatility you can handle. It's crucial to know your limits and stick to them. If you can't handle the heat, it's okay to stay out of the kitchen. This ain't about gambling. It's about making calculated moves that align with your comfort level. Investing should be a well-thought-out strategy, not a roll of the dice. So, are you a chicken or a bull? The answer lies in understanding your own risk tolerance and making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Asset allocation, my friends, this is where the magic happens. We're talking stocks, bonds, real estate, the whole shebang. Think of it like a recipe for financial success. You need the right ingredients in the right proportions to cook up a masterpiece. Stocks are your growth engine, but they can be volatile. Bonds are your steady eddy, providing stability. Real estate can be a good long-term investment, but it's not as liquid. And then you got your alternative investments like commodities and precious metals. The key is to find the right mix that matches your risk tolerance and financial goals. Significance of diversification. Spread the love, baby. Diversification. It's not just a buzzword, folks. It's the golden rule of investing. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographies. Think of it like this. If one investment takes a hit, the others can cushion the blow. You want your portfolio to be able to weather any storm, from market crashes to global pandemics. Remember, diversification is your best defense against risk. It's like having an insurance policy for your investments. Conducting thorough research. Knowledge is power. Listen up, folks. Investing without research is like playing darts blindfolded. You might get lucky, but chances are you're gonna miss the target. Before you buy any stock, bond, or mutual fund, do your homework. Look at the company's financials, their management team, their competitive landscape. Read analyst reports, industry publications, and financial news. Understand what you're investing in and why. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. Regular portfolio reviews? Stay ahead of the game. All right, you've built your portfolio, now what? You got to keep an eye on it. The market is constantly changing, and so are your financial goals. That's why it's crucial to review your portfolio regularly, at least once a year, or even quarterly if you're feeling ambitious. Are your investments still aligned with your goals? Are there any underperformers that need to be shown the door? Don't be afraid to make adjustments. Remember, this is your financial future we're talking about. Staying informed about market changes. Don't be a dinosaur. The market is like a wild animal, folks. It's unpredictable, it's volatile, and it can change on a dime. That's why it's crucial to stay informed about market trends, economic indicators, and geopolitical events. Read financial news, listen to podcasts, follow industry experts. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be to navigate the ups and downs of the market. Remember, the only constant in the market is change. Don't be a dinosaur. Adapt, evolve, and stay ahead of the game. That's the bottom line. There you have it, folks. The blueprint to building a rock-solid investment portfolio. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Stay disciplined, stay informed, and stay focused on your goals. And remember, investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Start building your financial future today. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more investing tips and tricks. See you next time.